पहले बता रहा हूँ, ड्रामे नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, चाहे कितने भी हो, 1 मिनट में इकट्ठा कर दूंगा दुनिया भर के।
Politics over water woes intensifies in the national capital. BJP posts a video of AAP Neta threatening residents for demanding water, calls it gundagardi. Nikhil Gupta pleads not guilty before the US court in Pannun murder plot case. Speaking to Times Now, his lawyer says that we should not rush to any conclusion. Well, let's get you the story in detail because we have seen the water crisis in Delhi, which is intensified. The severe heat wave continues. But here, when it comes to the heat that is also being witnessed in the political battle between the BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, all of those parties that are pointing fingers at each other and more so at the Aam Aadmi Party because they have been holding them responsible when it comes to the scarcity of water supply and a severe water shortage that the people of Delhi have been bearing the brunt of. Now, right amid the crisis, a video that has been posted by the BJP has shocked the residents of Delhi. It shows Aam Aadmi Party Neta Jai Bhagwan Upkar shouting at the protesting residents, where he is seen apparently threatening the protesting residents, demanding immediate action to resolve the water crisis. Take a look at this video that has been posted by the BJP.
ड्रामे नहीं चाहिए, पहले सुन ले, पहले बता रहा हूँ, ड्रामे नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, चाहे कितने भी हो, 1 मिनट में इकट्ठा कर दूंगा दुनिया भर के। ड्रामे नहीं चाहिए।
ये विधायक धमकी दे रहे हैं, धमकी। ये देखिए,
बोल कितना बोलेगा, आप तो ड्रामे कर रहे हैं।
हमको ठंडा करिएगा,
अभी मत।
The BJP in response has countered the Aam Aadmi Party for its insensitivity towards the plight of Delhiites. BJP has been alleging that the Delhi Sarkar is involved in corruption and has called for the intervention of the police in this matter.
देखिए, ये वीडियो सोशल मीडिया पे भी वायरल है और मैं बड़ी गंभीरता से कह रहा हूँ कि आम आदमी पार्टी का चरित्र, मुख्यमंत्री से लेकर नीचे तक, ये गुंडई का चरित्र है, गुंडागर्दी का चरित्र है। ये लोग भ्रष्टाचार भी करते हैं, चोरी भी करते हैं, दलाली भी खाते हैं और फिर जनता को जानते मारने की धमकी देते हैं, जैसे इस वीडियो में दिखाया गया। क्या गलती है जनता की? अगर जनता क्षेत्रीय विधायक के पास पानी की समस्या को लेकर गई है और कह रही है कि हमें पीने का पानी दिया जाए, तो आप जान से मारने की धमकी देंगे? तो ये गुंडागर्दी दिल्ली में भारतीय जनता पार्टी बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी और हमने हमारे सांसद जोगेंद्र चंदोलिया से कहा है कि इस व्यक्ति के खिलाफ इस वीडियो को आधार बनाकर पुलिस कार्रवाई की शिकायत दर्ज कराएगी।
In the meantime, talk about how the BJP mode has been reacting, where they have hit out at the Minister Atishi, claiming that the Aam Aadmi Party is shying away from responsibilities and are deflecting blame.
देखिए, दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात है कि 10 वर्ष सरकार में रहने के बाद आज भी आतिशी जी और उनकी जो पूरी मंडली आम आदमी पार्टी की अपनी जिम्मेदारी उठाने के बदले कि क्यों दिल्ली वासियों को बूंद बूंद पानी के लिए तरसाया है, किसी और पर जिम्मेदारी का ठीकरा फोड़ना है। कभी ये लोग हरियाणा हिमाचल के लोगों को गाली देंगे, कभी एलजी को गाली देंगे, कभी ये लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं को गाली देंगे जो सड़कों पर लोगों की आवाज उठा रहे हैं। पर वाटर टैंकर माफिया पर आज तक आतिशी जी का कोई कठोर बयान नहीं आया।
Well, Akansha is joining us live right now. Akansha, even today, the severe heat wave continues. There are reports of power outages as well. And amid the water crisis as well, we are looking at this video that has been posted by the BJP. It seems that the Aam Aadmi Party Neta is indulging in an argument and has been seen misbehaving with the residents of Delhi.
Well, absolutely, Amit. At a time when people of the national capital are reeling from heat wave coupled with the water crisis, this is a video that has emerged from Bhavana. In fact, the MLA, Aam Aadmi Party MLA from Bhavana, is seen threatening the people who are protesting, saying that they should not do any drama or act there, otherwise he will set them right. So he is basically threatening the people who are raising their voice against the water crisis. But definitely the reaction, strong reaction has come from the Bharatiya Janata Party. They're saying that this is a party of goons. They are saying that they will go to police and they will formally give a complaint regarding this, because in this video, and it's quite serious, that an Aam Aadmi Party MLA, elected representatives, is in fact threatening the people of the national capital at a time when not just in South Delhi or any other part of the Delhi, but this VIP area, which is Central Delhi, Lutyens Delhi, is also reeling from water crisis. People are scrambling for water. They're waiting for water tankers. The water is not. It's at some places it's clearly very dirty. They have to buy their own water for consumption. So this is what people are going through. And at that time, Aam Aadmi Party MLA, an elected representative, is saying that people should not do drama. In fact, he will set them right. So quite a serious comment coming from Aam Aadmi Party.
No, but Akansha, if the people will not go to their respective, representatives, then whom will they actually ask for help? The people of Delhi have been reeling. We're looking at those tanker videos that come in any point of the time in the day. There is no time that is set. We can see people running behind tankers there. And if they don't go to their respective representatives, then whom will they appeal to?
Well, absolutely, and this is the very point that BJP is raising. They're saying that he's an elected representative and people just went to him to demand water, to raise their voice against the water crisis, and this is what they got to hear. They got to hear that people are doing drama. But on the other hand, visuals every day in the morning, we see that water tankers go to different parts of the national capital, not just to smaller areas, but today we saw a water tanker also in Central Delhi. People running after that water tanker with their buckets, and even the water is dirty. At this time, people want a very clear answer from the Aam Aadmi Party, from the Delhi government, that they are clearly not giving. In fact, they're telling people that they are doing drama, and BJP is saying that this has become now a party of goons. They will be reaching the police. And also we are saying their Lok Sabha alliance partner, Congress, in the last 1 week, they've been protesting against Arvind Kejriwal, raising slogans against him. BJP has been demanding resignation.
Well, on
people
part
are
of both the BJP and the Congress, of course, there is friendly fire that is coming from the Congress's side. They have been holding those Matka Fort protests. The BJP, on the other hand, has been blaming the Aam Aadmi Party for its failure to control the situation. But the people of Delhi, what they have to say, what they have been going through amid this intense heat wave, let's listen in.
दिल्ली की जनता को इतनी प्रॉब्लम है कि 24-24 घंटे लोगों को लाइन में लगना है पानी के लिए बर्मों पे। बहुत बुरा
विधायक है केजरीवाल सरकार में, जो यहाँ के लोग स्थानीय विधायक अखिलेश पति त्रिपाठी जी पानी बेच रहे हैं। यहाँ पर यहाँ जो पानी आ रहा पीने के लिए बिल्कुल गंदा पानी, लोग खरीद कर पीने में मजबूर है। और
टैंकर माफिया के थ्रू केजरीवाल जी जो दिल्ली को जनता को पानी नहीं दे पा रहे, दिल्ली बिजली और पानी के मुद्दों पे दिल्ली सरकार आई थी, वही अगर दिल्ली की जनता को नहीं दे पा रही तो उनको इस्तीफा देना चाहिए और दिल्ली में राष्ट्रपति शासन लगना चाहिए।
Harish Khurana ji of the BJP is with us, sir. Good morning to you. What do you make of this video, sir, posted on part of the BJP, saying that this is how the AAP Neta is misbehaving with the people that he represents, sir?
People of Delhi are today very angry with the act what Aam Aadmi Party and his MLAs are doing. People want water in Delhi, but unfortunately, you are getting the water only from the water tankers. You are not getting water from the pipeline. And when people are going to their representative of the area, MLAs or the councillors, they are bashing them. They are misbehaving them. I mean, this kind of behavior is not acceptable at all. People will go only to their representative, which they have elected from their area. अगर वो वहाँ नहीं जाएंगे तो कहाँ जाएंगे? Point is this. So my only submission is people are angry today and they are getting the water. I mean, my only question from Aam Aadmi Party is, you are giving the water through water tankers. Why not you give from the pipeline? Because the corruption is there, and you have hand in glove with the water tanker mafias, and you're doing the corruption also over there on the water issue. I mean,
Right,
this water crisis is basically a man-made crisis, not a natural crisis.
Right, sir. Thank you very much, Mr. Khurana, for joining in. The BJP saying that this is a crisis which is man-made and timely intervention was not done by the AAP Sarkar, knowing very well that there would be a water scarcity and there was no planning that was done. However, he's called it unfortunate, saying that the Aam Aadmi Party Neta, a representative of the people, can be seen behaving with the people in this manner.
ड्रामे नहीं चाहिए, पहले सुन ले, पहले बता रहा हूँ ड्रामे नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, चाहे कितने भी हो, 1 मिनट में इकट्ठा कर दूंगा दुनिया भर के। ड्रामे नहीं चाहिए।
देखिए विधायक जी धमकी दे रहे हैं, धमकी ये देखिए।
बोल कितना बोलेगा? आप तो ड्रामे कर रहे हैं,
ठंडा करिएगा,
बताना मेरे बारे में, अभी बता तुम्हारे। ड्रामे नहीं चाहिए, पहले सुन ले, पहले बता रहा हूँ ड्रामे नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, चाहे कितने भी हो, 1 मिनट में इकट्ठा कर दूंगा दुनिया भर के। ड्रामे नहीं चाहिए।
देखिए विधायक जी धमकी दे रहे हैं, धमकी ये देखिए।
बोल कितना बोलेगा? आप तो ड्रामे कर रहे हैं,
ठंडा करिएगा,
बताना मेरे बारे में, अभी बता तुम्हारे।
All right, with that video that has been posted on part of the BJP, we have also BJP leaders who have been reacting, saying that this is most unfortunate as the Aam Aadmi Party government has let the people of Delhi down, and the scarcity that they say is man-made. And when it comes to the tanker mafia that is being shielded on part of the Aam Aadmi Party government, due to which there is an artificial scarcity that has now taken place, and people of Delhi who can be seen rushing behind the tankers early in the morning or even any time during the day just to get that day-long supply of water. Now, even when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party, they have been raising the issue that it is Haryana which has been stopping the water supply. There is supply coming from Himachal, but there is an evident blame game that continues. Akansha, thank you very much for the moment, for getting us those reactions of the people. Let's in the meantime also talk about the intense political debate that has been happening. After a very short break, we will be delving into that. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a short break.